Just shove it here. Just make another hole, you puss. It doesn't matter.
We're going to have to dig another new one anyway when we do it. You'll forget the hell. What? I'm leaving this here, are you?
Yeah, well, Marco. Everyone knows you want to take that pole back for your daily pleasure. Show up his arse. Dirtiest kid.
You know, I mean, look, he's not a weapon. Full move.
Take it easy, Marco. They've all done a runner. The kids are definitely runners.
What do you mean?
Freaking go!
Don't help me.
That's gone.
Marco.
Oh, you need a haircut so much. You've got hair again. You should go bald. Yeah, we're going for a kiss all the way along there. Are we?
No, just if you fix the toilet.
Oh, yeah. Really? Yeah. The pork can do a flow.
Stick it there. No, there. That's better. See what I mean? They nicked the thing from my screen, the one next to my house. That is that thing what used to be.
Yeah.
Gonna pop it back.
Unscrew it.
Carry it.
What's he doing?
What's he doing? Get Hammy's mallet try.
Oh, you're doing it.
Let me try it. Oh,
Dev. Put some money into it.
oh dear.
Oh, your hands.
Let me try. I'm a scorch nigga. Hand it over. Alright.
Hey, you knob.
Knob,
Joffy, you.
Move that one.
Harder. No, man, harder. What is up with your knee? No hair on it at all.
I know. I've got no hair, look.
Oh, yeah.
Come on.
Paul's got a bald patch on his penis.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's got loads of hair all over his bum and then none on his dick.
I'm trying to do this.
Let me do it.
Oh, kick it off.
Stand on it.
Get it, rip your shoe off. What are you doing? Rip your shoe off.
Make a little hole. Drinking, trying to put that into the ground.
You do. You're on the drink. You're going.
Nothing. He hasn't got anything, has he? Exactly. We
That's what we have a hand then.
Where?
That's brilliant.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, well, I'll leave it there. Oh, give up, Daryl.
When he's killed by grass.
Maybe, it's covered by grass.
Oh dear, Marcus. Oh dear. Oh yeah, I don't think it was that far out.
It's out here.
It was out over here somewhere, yeah. Surely you can just shut up something from there and get Sarah to get like a plate.
You need some water. Make it work.
Yeah, we do. Yes, we do. Paul, put some water on. Water.
Put some beer on.
Don't be.
Beer here, Paul.
Down.
No. Literally, all I need is a little bit.
Oh.
I've only got a little bit
In
left.
that hole.
Oh, it's kicking off.
Literally a little bit. No, that's too much.
Yeah.
Wait, don't still. That's fine. Just put it in.
Might be. What's he doing?
Yeah, should be.
Yeah, do you want to go with me, Stay of George, the whole lot? Get a test.
Yeah.
Get like an 8-seater, so it's cheaper.
No one else has got beer.
So we split it like 8 ways.
What do you mean 8 ways? There's 1, 2,
We'll get an
3, 4,
8-seater.
6 of us.
We'll get an 8-seater.
Yeah.
It's after midnight, we almost probably have to.
Yeah, I know.
It's freezing.
Yeah, but if there's 8 of us, then it's all good.
No, it's not my legs. It's just this top. This top is really thin, and I'm skinny as you can get. Paul.
Scots until gate.
Paul.
It's double after midnight.
Paul.
It was after midnight.
Paul.
It was 4 to 12. We made
It's
sure.
cool.
No.
Paul.
Fair was
Can I borrow your jeans?
It was bank holiday.
I'm fucking freezing.
Weird.
What's he doing? I'm going through the grass. What's he doing? Push you over there.
Oh?
Sounds like a dog. Paul. Smile. Oh.
Oh.
Kick it off.
Can I use your ID to go clubbing? I look exactly like
You animal.
Oh, 7, but he's right.
I'm dying.
Are you serious?
Tomorrow, Steven. We're gonna get some pussy.
It's tomorrow.
Oh, was it there? Bro.
No, it's
He threw up everywhere.
Mate, what are you doing?
Biggest lightweight. You're in the big now. What are you doing?
Wait!
Calm down, Paul. Calm down.
Remember that day when we came back and you were in the taxi?
What's he doing? What's he going?
Do you want to film little kids?
I'm waiting for him to do this. I'm waiting for him to do this. Don't you get involved, Kieran.
No, he will. He will go down.
Surround the attack me.
Put your arm around.
You the Christ. What have we been doing?
What have you been doing, Darryl?
Sort it out now.
I went to try to pick the plastic.
Are you sure the hole's like the right size?
Where? It is cool, it is.
And the rocket in there.
The rocket in that hole there, yeah. The top one, yeah?
Go, lift it.
Go lift it there, so
There's no going like. Where's Paul?
He's gone.
He's gone out.
He's gonna get.
He's gone out. He's gone out.
All the way from Kilgate back to land.
We have to pretend that Paul lives in Langley Green. He will go mental.
No, but he doesn't know.
Exactly.
Oh, try and get it.
Oh! There we go. What are you doing, Stephen? Issues. Kicking off.